This video will guide you through the installation of the L-TWOO TT hydraulic disc brake system. For the front caliper, choose one with a shorter hydraulic hose. Thread the hydraulic hose through the front fork. Select the correct adapter for your brake disc, and secure it with screws. Tighten clockwise with a 5 mm hex key. Install the rear caliper in the same way. Connect the left and right brake levers as preferred. Rotate the handlebars to the maximum angle. Ensure the hose doesn't interfere with the handlebar movement. Mark and cut the hose to the correct length. Use the cutting tool to trim the hose at the marked spot. Insert the bleed screw and olive head into the hose. Place the hydraulic needle and press it into the hose with the pressing tool. Loosen the oil plug screw counterclockwise with a 10 mm open-end wrench. Insert the hydraulic hose fully into the brake lever interface. Tighten the hose connection with a 10 mm open-end wrench. Tighten the bleed screw clockwise with an 8 mm open-end wrench. Press the brake lever and check for leaks. If fluid leaks from the connection, the hydraulic needle may not be fully pressed, or the bleed screw may not be tight enough. Reinstall if necessary. If the brake lever feels weak, bleed the system and top up with brake fluid. Thank you for watching this tutorial.